Hello, today's tutorial is going to be on how to make a ringtone for your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the iTunes application. Once that's downloaded, you want to go ahead and plug in your iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. I just plugged in my iPhone, and there you go. Just go ahead and click register later. It's uploading. So there's a couple of ways you can make a custom ringtone. You can either download a application from the Apple Store. I downloaded the ringtone maker from the Apple iPhone, which is free. Or you can make your own ringtones from music that you have stored in your music library. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the ringtone maker. We go ahead and click register later. As you can see, my phone it's syncing to the iTunes. Well, that's doing that. I created it. I created a file on audio. Let me see. Audio City. It's another application that I downloaded from the internet, and here you can pretty much record your voice, customize it to whatever you need, high pitch, low pitch, faster. So let's go ahead and hear this one. This is the one that I created that I have ready to go.
Yo, what's cracking, boo? Time to go work. Bye-bye. Peace.
So this file is about 12 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and download this to my iPhone. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and do export. Obviously you want to save it in AIFF Apple file. So go ahead and click that. The file name, you can put whatever you want to name it. So I'll go ahead and name it work. So I'll go ahead and save that. I'll save that to my desktop. Go ahead and save. Go ahead and click OK. So now let's go to my desktop to see if it's there. I'm going to click this. Okay. Cancel. Go ahead and minimize that, and there it is right here. So now I go back to my iTunes, and as you can see, my iPhone is already plugged in. So the first thing you want to do is drag the file to your library, to the iTunes library. Go ahead and drop it there. Okay, so now the file that we just created, it's in the music library. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and look for that. As you can see, my music library, it's pretty full, so I just want to go ahead and search for it, and we're gonna search for it for the name that we name it. So it was work, and here it is. Now you're gonna go ahead and grab that, drop it to your iPhone, which my iPhone is named Blue D for Blue Devil. Go ahead and drop that there. You can see it's sinking in. So now if I click on the iPhone, oh, it's still kind of uploading, so that's what kind of froze there. There you go. Okay, just go ahead and okay. Click that. Now we're gonna go to the iPhone, and if we go to tones, you can see it here now. So once that's done, you can pretty much select the tones that you want to sync into your phone, and in this case we're gonna go ahead and sync the tones that we just created. So go ahead and apply, and you can see syncing, and it'll probably take about a couple of seconds, probably about 10-15 seconds. There it's going now, and it's syncing the song we just created, and almost done. There you go, it's recognizing it. Okay, so it should be done almost. This is for, okay, go cancel, click that up. So now if you go to your iPhone and you go settings, then go to your sounds, and then go to your ringtones, the ringtone should be there, and there it is. I just unplugged my phone, and I'll let you guys hear it.
Yo, what's cracking, fool? Time to go work. Bye-bye. Peace.
And there you have it. Simple as that. Okay.